Hi guys, welcome back to another hair video. So today's wig is from Alipearl Hair, and today I'm working with their HD 5x5 lace closure wigs. So this is a deep wave hair texture and it's a 26-inch wig. So this is the construction of the wig. As you can see, it's a 5x5 lace closure wig. It comes with an elastic band on the inside and it's already attached to the wig, as you can see, which is obviously amazing. And it comes with some combs and adjustable straps at the back of the wig, and this is what the hairline looks like. So it comes with a natural hairline, but I am going to go in and customize the hairline a bit more as well, so you guys can see. So this is what the knots look like at the moment. You can get away with installing this wig like this, just apply some foundation or powder and you're good to go. But I'm going to bleach the knots to make it look a lot more natural, and I'm going to pluck the hairline as well. And also I would always recommend you pre-wash the hair before installing the wig, because sometimes you get wigs and it kind of comes with this funny funky smell. So it's nice to like just pre-wash the hair and, you know. So to bleach the knots on the closure, I'm going to use a 40 volume developer and I'm going to use some bleach powder as well. And you just want to make sure that the consistency is quite thick, so you know it doesn't run through the lace. So this is basically the consistency you want. As you guys can see, like, it's so thick. So this is just to prevent the bleach from running through the lace. Like, you can try and stick this in and you can see it's not moving. So yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and just spread this all over the lace. I'm just going to leave this on for about 30 to 35 minutes. Then I'm going to wash it off. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this purple shampoo to wash out the bleach. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this no orange mask from Fanola. So they're both from Fanola and I like using the both of them because it really does help with making the knots look really natural. So yes, you can go ahead and just use the purple shampoo, but I feel like using this actually makes a big difference. So, you know, yeah, I use the both of them. Okay, so I've bleached the knots and this is what it's currently looking like. And also when it comes to the hair texture, this is what the curls look like, so you can see. So now I'm just going to go ahead and customize the hairline. So the first thing I like to do when I'm plucking my hairline is to use my hot comb. I'm just going to use this to like just comb everything to the back and then we can start plucking. So you hot combing the hair to the back kind of just helps you to see what you're working with and, you know, where to pluck and stuff like that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start plucking. I don't have a specific technique that I follow, but I just try and pluck everything going towards the back and just make sure that the hairline looks as natural as possible. So and you can see the difference now. I feel like for me this is fine. So now we're just going to go ahead and install the wig, and you guys look at how good the HD lace looks. Like, this looks so good, you can't even see where the lace is. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and install this wig, and the first thing I'm going to do is to apply some wax stick. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace. I like to start off by cutting the sides off first and then cut the lace in chunks. the thing is, you can actually decide to install this wig without gluing it down. So this is how it looks without you gluing it down, and it does fit very snug on my head. But I'm gonna go ahead and use some holding spray just to melt the lace into my skin. I'm just gonna go ahead and do some slight baby hairs so we can hide this basically. So now for the baby hairs, I'm gonna cut this slanted. So instead of cutting it straight like this, I'm actually gonna cut downwards. So now I'm gonna go ahead and slick down my baby hairs, and I'm just using some gummy wax to do this. I'm gonna use some of my bedhead spray just over my baby hairs, just to, you know, make sure they stay in place and don't move. So I'm gonna take off the melt band now, and then this should be done. Whew, I can't believe I cut this side so short. Guys, what is this? I've cut it so short, but anyway. Okay, so here's what the wig looks like. I'm gonna apply some concealer down the middle just to make this stand out. This looks so clean. I'm so happy about this because, guys, normally I never get my middle part to be so straight. Like it's usually wonky, but today we tried. Okay, so now I'm gonna define the curls by adding some hair mousse. I'm just gonna just drench the hair in hair mousse basically. Okay, so here's the finished look, and I just, listen, and the fact that I've gone for like a no makeup look today, I feel like this is just giving black girl magic. I don't know, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, so you guys let me know what you think of today's install. So like I said, this wig is from Alipearl Hair. This is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. So the hair texture is deep wave, and this is a 26 inch. So the wig is literally up to here, and it's a 200% density. But I just bring everything to the front. Like, guys, this wig is so nice, and the wig is so fluffy. It doesn't require for you to do too much to it. I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below. So please check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.